All right, so this week we're talking about value, but I want to go over tints and shades. So if you remember, a tint is any color that is mixed with white, and a shade is any color that is mixed with black. So for this exercise, what I want you to do is mix red with white, yellow with white, blue with white, and mix all those colors with black as well. So before we get started, I want to show you the proper process of using tempera paint. So I have my styrofoam plate, I have my brush, and I also have some paint. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my paint and I'm only going to put a little bit on the plate. Okay, about that much. A little bit of a dab is enough. Okay. All right. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some water. I already have my water cup filled up here, and I'm going to rinse my brush off. Okay. I want to get all that paint off, and then I'm going to wipe it with a paper towel, just like so. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my white paint, open that up, and I'm going to put some of that on the plate. So I'm going to do the same thing with the black as well. I'm just going to put out a little bit of paint on there, and I'm going to rinse my brush off again, right, in the water, and clean it off. Okay, so now I have my 3 colors of paint on here, and I'm going to get started painting. So the first color is red, right, red. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that pure red on here. No mixing at all. I'm just going to put that pure red right in here like this. Now it doesn't have to be super neat, right? It can go outside the lines, that's fine. Just so you know it's red. All right. So next, I'm going to go ahead and mix the red and the white. All right. So I'm going to put a little bit of red here, and I'm just going to add a dab of white. Just a little bit, and mix those together. Okay, I don't need a whole lot. And then I'm going to put that in this section here. Okay, so you should get a little bit of a lighter red, kind of a pink. All right, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix even more white. Right, so I'm going to put more white and mix that together, so it's even lighter. Maybe I'll even put a little bit more. Okay, so I should get that nice light pink color. All right, so just like that, it goes from red to lighter red to a lighter red. Okay, tints and shades. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the black. Okay, again, but first I have to clean off my brush. So once again, I'm going to take my red, and I'm going to put a little here. I'm going to take a little bit of black, and I'm going to put some in here, like this, okay, and mix those together. Now I'm going to put those on the plate, on the paper, rather, excuse me. And I have a shade of red. Now next, I can add just a little bit more black and make it even darker. And then I'll put that shade right here like so. Okay, so it goes from red all the way to very dark. Okay, so this is what I want to see. So you're going to do the same thing with yellow, same thing with blue. Okay, and if you have time, you might want to try from red to green, yellow to purple, blue to orange. You can try this too if we have time. Okay, so let's go ahead, and I want you guys to give this a try first.